Time for another old school unboxing. Looks like this one's from eBay. I do not know what it is. Let's find out together. Sparkomatic. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Some Sparkomatic 6-inch 3-way door speaker system. Sweet. Let's get you a little closer here on the action. There you can see, 3-way, 120 watts, SK63 is the model. It's engineered to provide high-quality sound reproduction in virtually every car sound application. These speakers feature the same dependable construction and innovative engineering found in all Sparkomatic car sound equipment for realistic, true to the original music performance. This package contains 2 weather-resistant speakers, 2 impact-resistant grills, heavy-duty speaker cables, complete mounting hardware, and instructions. Check out that frequency response curve. Yo! 60 hertz to 16 kilohertz, 120 watts music power, 60 watts continuous, 92 dB sensitivity, 1 watt, 1 meter, compatible with all 4 to 8 ohm radios and tape players. Made in Indonesia. Interesting. All right. Let's get them out of the box and see what they look like. So they're supposed to be new, and it looks like they probably are. Has the mounting template. Feels like it's on tracing paper. Here is the gold to me. It's the owner's manual. Can't find these online, but I will scan this one in case anybody needs it. Let's get to the speakers. Oh yeah, this is cool. Now both of them are going to be the same, so I'm only going to take one out for right now. Oh man, that's cool. Let's see if we can pull this grill off. Yep, here it comes. Because we got to be able to see the awesomeness here of the. Oh yeah, look at that. That is mint. Serwin Vega looking. We got it's like a cone mid-range or a cone tweeter and a cone super tweeter. The surround feels like it's still in place. SK63. Made in Indonesia, SB304. That is too cool. Those are in great shape. They are actually new. A magnet's probably like about a 10-ounce magnet is what it feels like. Not too big. These are classic though. Classic Sparkomatic old school speakers. Here with the second speaker, we do have all the speaker cables. And looks like probably the mounting hardware. Yep. And we have the speaker cables for the other speaker. Looks like about, I don't know, 20, maybe 22 gauge. But it does have the terminals already built on. So that's cool. Here's a flyover of everything included. Now let's step back to 1986 and the Audio Magazine 12th Annual Car Stereo Directory. Turn to the speaker section, we will find Sparkomatic SK63 $24.95. $25 1986 is approximately $70 in 2023. These 6-inch 3-way 120 watt speakers offered high compliance air suspension woofers, center mounted direct radiating mid-range and high frequency tweeter, barium ferrite woofer magnets, deliver full power for smooth bass response. Acoustically transparent grills provide protection of total sound reproduction. The special Thermatest material withstands temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, the 2 3/8-inch mounting depth worked in most vehicles at the time, and these were compatible with all 4 to 8 ohm radios and tape players. We have the Sparkomatic 3-way 6.5s inside the boxes here. What you will notice is they don't fit. These are more like 6-inch speakers, I guess, not 6.5s, because they don't really fit the hole. So we're just going to kind of set them here loosely, and I'll put the camera and the mic above them so we get an idea of the sound quality. So let's hear a couple tracks, see what they sound like. Let's try Smoke Jacket Blues. Smokey's Lounge. Not sure if you guys can tell, but it sounds flat to me. Not very good upper mid-range and high-end. Sounds really just like a mid without any tweeters at all. Let's see how the vocals do for Ice and Fire. What about some Ice Flow? Let's try a little bass. All right, guys, there you have it. Very quick review here of these Sparkomatic SK63s. New old stock from way back in the day. They sound as bad today probably as they did back in the 80s whenever they came out. Just horrible. I mean, they're old speakers, so it could be deterioration that caused them to sound bad, but I don't think these sounded good way back then either. It's nice to see that the surrounds are still in place. Nice to see they still work, still in great condition. But yeah, I can see why people kind of hated on Sparkomatic back then. Because these just sounded, whew, they hurt my ears at some point. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. More to come. See you next time. Big D, I'm out.